Hi, I'm Jim. I'm with Thrifting and Collecting, and today we're going to do another metal detecting video. So today we're going to be doing some more metal detecting here in the woods. This got paths. It's got lots of people on it, so people are always back here and definitely can expect to find some good stuff. Digging this hole, found a nickel 1997 Jefferson. Looks like we have a knife. Looks like we have a folding knife. Let's get that cleaned up. Seems like every few hunts I keep finding these folding knives. This one's like a camo colored one. Doesn't seem to have a name brand on it or anything, but pretty cool. Still in pretty decent shape. Digging this hole, found something. I don't know if it's like a tool or a piece of metal. Interesting. Digging this hole, found a penny and a paperclip. Penny is from 1993. Another penny in the same hole, a 1993D. This must be my lucky day because I found a horseshoe in the woods. Pretty sweet. It's rusted, but nonetheless, awesome. Digging this hole, found a quarter, but it's a 1971. I found yet another 1993 penny. Digging over here, found a penny. It is a 1977. We're digging, and we found a 2017 penny. Buried pretty deep though. Found a memorial back from 2003. Oldest nickel I found in this area so far, 1964. Let's hope we find older ones than this. Could use a Silver War nickel or a Buffalo nickel at any point. It's so caked in mud, but I can't tell what it is, but it's definitely a memorial back. So we got another penny. Didn't have to kick too much dirt off to get to this one. It is a memorial back, but a little too dirty to be able to read the date. More pennies. I think this one's a 1995. Took me a while to dig all this, but I was rewarded with a 2012 Shield penny. Yay! 2001. A penny odyssey. Found a statehood quarter from 2001. I believe it's Vermont. So found a lot of these 2001 coins here, so must be a somewhat newer area. Well, I dug in this area and I first found a pop tab, and I'm like, man, maybe it's another pop tab, but it turned out to be a dime. It's a 1976, unfortunately not silver, but still pretty cool. Junk down here, but did find a 1998 penny. Still digging in the woods. Best find of the hunt so far. Souvenir of Cedar Point Arcades. Pretty sweet. Thought it was a quarter at first. Definitely a good find. Had to dig for a while, but I think it's a old knife. And this looks like a terminal to a battery or something. It has holes on the side. If you guys know, let me know in the comments. The knife, I'm not sure if it's old or not. I can't tell if the end is plastic, but it's broken and it's rotted away, so there's not much left of it. But still, I like it. Digging around, found a ring. Okay, it's not really a ring. It's actually like a hose fitting. But I had my hopes up for a second. Fooled me again. All right, everyone, it is time for a wrap up. So from the hunt, we got some pretty cool stuff. A bunch of pennies, 3 shield backs, One of those memorial backs. None of those are that old, unfortunately. Got a dime. I believe it was in 1978. A couple nickels. A couple quarters. Something really cool. A Cedar Point token. Some kind of tool. A horseshoe. And then a newer folding knife, which we have cleaned up now. And I think this might be an older folding knife, or it might be a razor blade. I'm not sure. I mean, it looks like it's old. But the back of it, though, kind of leaves me suspect, though. So if you guys know what this one is, please leave a comment down there. But, well, thanks everyone for watching this video. If you guys like what you see, please click like and subscribe. It would help me out a lot. And we'll keep bringing you these metal detecting videos. So thanks, everybody. Have a good one.